Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have something really special. This is an OLED monitor from ASUS. This is the ROG Swift OLED PG32UCDM. It's a 4K monitor. 32 inches is the size, about 80.3 centimeters. It's got Dolby Vision. This is the box of it. Of course it's a ROG team box. Red top, ASUS seal. It shows you how the monitor looks like. It's really slim. It's OLED. It's an amazing monitor. As you can see, the box is very big, so I'm not gonna turn it around, but on the side right here we have some specs. So 4K ultra high definition display, 240 Hz refresh rate. That's absolutely amazing for a 4K monitor. ASUS OLED technology. The input and the response time are 0.03 milliseconds. That is absolutely amazing. I never seen that before. NVIDIA G-Sync compatible, HDR, KVM switch built in, HDMI 2.1, and of course DisplayPort 2.1. USB Type-C, 90 watts PD charging. You can download Display Widget Center from the ASUS website. It comes with 3-year warranty, and also if you want to register your warranty and register your product to ASUS, all you have to do is just scan this QR code on the box. Here we have some European energy ratings. So this is G, of course, all those specs. It consumes a lot of power, but everything comes with the trade-off. So yeah, the box looks absolutely amazing. I love it. From what I've seen, the display is really slim, so we're gonna see how it looks. So what I want to do next is take everything out of the box. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside the box, how everything looks like, and after that we're going to replace it with my old monitor. So my old monitor behind us, it's a Samsung. It's gonna come off. It's a 34-inch. And we're gonna put the 32-inch OLED 4K. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright guys, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what you get right here, including the monitor and its stand. I had to actually mount the monitor on the stand because I had no other way of standing up the monitor so I can show it to you guys. So for now, let's go ahead and check what we get in the box in terms of accessories. So starting with the power cables, we have a UK mains power cable which plugs right here into this ASUS ROG branded power supply, which this end will plug into the monitor itself, and there you go, your monitor is powered. We have their own ASUS ROG branded VESA mount. This bit right here goes into the monitor. Basically it just flips like this, and then you can VESA mount your monitor. We have a ASUS VIP member notice. Basically this is like a warranty card, so on. You can give it a read. We have a welcome card, which is pretty nice. It says, "Welcome to the elite Republic of Gamers community. Your ROG Swift gaming monitor is engineered and tested for gaming perfection. It's time to experience gaming mastery on another level. Game on." That's absolutely great. What a nice message. It also has this translucent effect. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. We have some energy ratings right here. This is for display purposes only. Safety information in different languages. We have a quick setup guide right here with pictures. This is the monitor. This is how the monitor looks. It will tell you how to install the monitor on its mount, what the mount can do. It can swivel, it can go up and down, it can lean. The monitor has a built-in USB hub with more functions like high definition audio and so on, which is under here somewhere. I'm gonna try show you guys in a second. So basically this is what you can plug in there. So DC in, power, 2 HDMIs, one DisplayPort PD USB Type-C, USB hub port, so you can connect it to your PC, two USB type A's, 5 volts, 0.3 amps, one USB A, 5 volts, 1.5 amps, audio jack, and optic fiber audio out, basically. So yeah, quite a lot of functions. The monitor also has a button under here with plus and minus, actually just two lines. Actually, you can navigate through the monitor's menu, and this is how to release the monitor for its mount. It has like a slider, and pretty much that's it. That's what you get with the quick start guide. And then they also gave us a pack of ROG stickers, which look amazing. I think I'm gonna put one on the power supply right here because it will look great. We also have a pouch full of cables. This is ROG branded pouch. So let's see what we get. Got another mains power cable, but this one it's European. If you want to use it in Europe, that's really great. We have a DisplayPort cable, DisplayPort to DisplayPort. We have a certified HDMI 2.1 cable, ultra high speed. So yeah, basically this is a HDMI cable that supports the latest 2.1 protocol. Then we have a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. I think this is the PD cable they were talking about. And right here we have the USB Type-A to USB Type-B 3.0 cable that will connect your monitor to the PC, giving you access to the monitor hub with the USBs and everything. So you can plug in, for example, a webcam, a keyboard, mouse, wherever you want to plug in into that USB. So this is how the monitor looks like. This is how the stand looks like. NVIDIA G-Sync sticker right here. On the bottom of the stand, it's an LED bulb, and it will project the ASUS branding, ASUS logo, ROG logo right here. This is magnetic, by the way, so you can always put it back. There you go. That's simple. In terms of thickness, this is how thick the monitor is, which is really slim in my opinion, compared to this other monitor, for example, which is huge. This is another 4K monitor from BenQ. And let me see if I can show you guys the ports and everything else on the back. I'm gonna try switch my camera up for a second. So the camera should be right here, and you guys should be able to see the USB ports and everything else that's under there. Yeah, basically that's it. That's what you get inside the box. So for now, let's go ahead and set the monitor up. I'm gonna show you guys the image quality. We're gonna pair it with a RTX 5090 gaming PC. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so now that the monitor is all set up, this is how my setup looks like. Obviously with the 32-inch ROG Swift OLED monitor in the middle. Even with the naked eye, you can see the color difference and the black color difference. The other two monitors are 4K as well, but they're not OLED. So as you can see, the blacks are absolutely perfect no matter which angle you're looking at. The monitor looks exactly the same. It's absolutely amazing. I really love it. It looks really cool. It's got some cool features which I'm gonna show you in a sec. One of the cool feature I like, it's the logo projection on the desk. So basically it has an LED. You can turn it off or you can make it brighter. Right now it's on level 1, so it's not super bright. And another RGB feature, it's on the back. So right here the ROG logo has RGB. You can change the RGB to any color you want, even static. You can even turn it off if that's not your thing. You can control everything in the ASUS Armory Crate. So if you go to AuraSync, right here you can see your devices. ROG Swift OLED PG32UCDM monitor. It's there. So if you click on aura effects right here, maybe you want to have it static color, then you want to change it to red, for example, already set up. I'm pretty sure it already changed. There you go, it will stay red forever, unless you like the rainbow effect, which is personally my favorite. And to access the menu of the monitor, you have a button under the logo right here, and we have a lot of features. So we have variable refresh rate, game plus, which will display a FPS counter, crosshair, timer, stopwatch, display alignment. Then we have game visual. If you go back, it's set to user mode, but obviously it has some presets. I'm controlling mine with the app. Shadow boost, I like to keep mine on level 3. Display widget center, this is the app you need to get if you want to control more of your monitor. And the monitor can go up to 240 Hertz. Right now it's set to 60 because I just set it up, but if we go to display settings, this is number 3, the one in the middle. We go to advanced display and we set it to 240 Hertz 0.02. There you go. Keep changes. Now the monitor, it's at 240 Hertz. This is especially good if you're playing competitive games, Call of Duty, League of Legends, Fortnite, whatever you play, and 240 Hertz will give you the advantage you want. If we have a look in the menu, you can adjust the brightness, contrast, vivid pixel, HDR format. I like to keep my HDR format to Dolby Vision because this monitor supports Dolby Vision, but of course you can have HDR10 as well. If you go to color, you can increase, decrease the saturation, gamma, all the color customizations you will ever need. Input selection, lighting effects. If you don't want the RGB in the back, you can turn off aura sync, light in motion. Again, if you don't want the LED projection right here, you can turn that off. Have some system setup, so language, sound, USB setup. It's got a built-in KVM switch as well, so when you press a button, it will switch between Type-C and USB. USB charging right here. You can select the amount of watts that your device will pull out of your monitor. Right now it's set to 65 watts, but you can pull up to 90. Key lock, power indicator, color calibration, OSD setup, screen protection. It's got a feature called pixel clearing, so you will clear the pixels on your screen every 8 hours of usage. If you do that for 5 minutes, you will always keep your display to the best quality, I guess. And yeah, pretty much that's it with the display. If you guys want to buy it, I'll have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.